Hi, I'm Carmela F. Ambrosio, and for this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa kong solution for number 19 sa set A. So yung tanong doon is, think of a number. Add 10, multiply by 4, add 200, divide by 4, subtract your original number. Your result should be 60. Why? Show why this would work for any number. Now, how it works. So, for this problem, ginamit ko yung Folia's 4-step. For step 1, understand the problem. Dito, nilagay ko yung mga provided steps from the question. So, for step 1, we have think of a number. So, wala siyang restriction na nakalagay. So, any number pwede. Kahit 5 digits pa yan, 8 digits, or 1 digit, and etc. Next, step 2, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 10 dun sa naisip natin na number. Then, step 3, yung sagot na nakuha natin, imumultiply lang natin siya by 4. Tapos, for step 4, mag-a-add lang ulit tayo ng 200. Then, for step 5, divide by 4. And lastly, subtract your original number. Now, the question is, by following the steps, show why the result should be 60 and why this would work for any number. So, yan yung mga nilagay ko sa Folia's first step. Now, let's proceed sa step 2, which is devise a plan. So, nasolve ko tong question na to into two different ways. So, denote ko siya as first approach and second approach. So, for our first approach, sabi niya dyan, draw a picture to represent your number and the words for each step. Then, our second approach is use a variable to represent your number. So, isa-solve or gagawin natin yung mga approach na yan sa ating step 3, which is carry out the plan. Now, for first approach, let's draw a picture. So, sa part na to, inisip ko na ako yung nagtatanong. So, if I say, think of a number, I don't know what number you are thinking of. So, I just imagine a bag with that number of marbles or candies in it. The bag is closed and tied. So I can't see in, but it doesn't matter. Your number is in there. Now, if I tell you to add 10, I can feature that bag and 10 extras. So, yung first step natin, meron tayong isang bag which represent your number plus 10 na black dots. Next, when I tell you to multiply it by 4, I imagine the quantities in my picture like this. So, magta-times 4 lang siya. Kaya, magiging 4 na yung bag of your number and 4 na 10 black dots. Then, when I say add 200, I'll draw another 200 extras. Each red dot is equivalent to 50 extras. So, instead of 200 black dots yung nilagay ko, ginawa ko na lang siyang 4 red dots kasi may 4 sets naman na tayo ng 1 bag and 10 dots para mag-equal na lang sila. And when I say divide it by 4, I can be sure that you can cut that by 1/4 and I feature it like this. So, ang matitira na lang is isang set ng 1 bag and 10 black dots and 1 red dot, which is equivalent to 50. Then, lastly, when I say subtract your number, gets rid of the bag. So, ang matitira na lang is 10 plus 50, which is equivalent to 60. So, that's it. From doing a picture, na ipakita natin na through following the given process or steps, yung result niya is 60 for any number. So, for our second approach, let's use variable. So, I let x be your number. Then, by following the process, add 10. So, magiging siyang x plus 10. Multiply by 4, x plus 10 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4x plus 40. Next, add 200. 4x plus 40 plus 200 is equal to 4x plus 240. Then, divide by 4. 4x plus 240 all over 4 is equal to x plus 60. And lastly, subtract your original number. So x plus 60 minus x is equal to 60. So different method yung ginamit natin, but still, we got the same correct answer, which is 60. Now let's proceed to step 4, which is look back. So the key point here is that even if you express the above with words, you have to subtract your original number at the end. So what is left in the end is the result of your calculations involving other numbers used in the process. Hence, it would work for any number. Now, let's try to solve another similar problem. So the question is, pick a 3-digit number with 3 different digits. Reverse the digits of the number. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Add up the digits of the result. Your result should be 18. Why? Show why this would work for any 3-digit number with 3 different digits. So, for step 1, let's understand first the problem. So, same thing na ginawa ko kanina, nilagay ko lang din dito yung mga provided steps from the question. Number 1 is, pick a 3-digit number with 3 different digits. Number 2, reverse the digits of the number. Number 3, subtract the smaller number from the larger number. And lastly, add up the digits of the result. Then, the question is, by doing the following steps, show why the result should be 18, and why this would work for any 3-digit number with 3 different digits. Next, for our step 2, devise a plan. Since there are many possible 3-digit numbers, we can use variables A, B, C to represent it. So, yan lang yung nilagay ko for step 2. Algebraic method lang yung ginamit ko since hindi naman na siya pwedeng i-drawing. Now, let's proceed to step 3, which is carry out the plan. So, let's go through each of the steps. First, pick a 3-digit number with 3 different digits. So, I'll denote it as ABC. Next, we need to reverse the digits of the number. So, it becomes CBA. Then, let's subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Here, I'll suppose that A is larger than C. So, we have ABC minus CBA. So, paano nga ba natin isosolve to? So, we need to consider the placeholder of each digit in a number. So, we have hundreds, tens, and ones. Now, let's write these numbers in expanded form. The number ABC represents 100A plus 10B plus C. And similarly, the number CBA will be 100C plus 10B plus A. Then, ipagmaminus lang natin sila. So, unahin natin yung 100A minus A, which is equal to 99A. Then, 10B minus 10B is equal to 0. And C minus 100C is equal to negative 99C. So, now we have 99A minus 99C. Then, ipa-factor out lang natin si 99. So, magiging siyang 99 times A minus C. Then, after that, we need to know the possible values of A minus C. So, since A is larger than C, yung possible value lang ng A minus C natin is 1 through 9. So, hindi naman na siya pwedeng magkaroon ng value na greater than 9. Kasi, for instance, if yung A natin is 9, then yung C natin is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9. So, pinakamataas na value na yon. And yung pinakamababang value naman is 1. Since, for instance, then, kapag yung A natin is 1, then yung C natin is 0. So, 1 minus 0 is 1. So, yan lang yung value ng ating A minus C. Now, isa-substitute lang natin to sa 99 times A minus C. And ang makukuha nating sagot ay 99, 198, 297, 396, 495, 594, 693, 792, 891. So, if mapapansin ninyo, kapag in-add natin yung every single result na yan, is mag-equal sila sa 18. For example, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 18. 2 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 18. And so on. So, that's the reason why the answer is always 18 for any 3-digit number with 3 different digits. So, lastly, for our step 4, look back. It is true that the sum of the digits is always 18.